Pistachios. Dexter Does It by Baggin. Is that pistachio, buddy? Okay. Now I'm going to give you one in the shell. Think you can do it? You want it? Okay, get it out of the shell though, buddy. Yeah, gentle. What's inside there? I don't know. Let me get it. Look, check it out. You break it, and you shake it out. There you go. Yeah. He likes pistachios.
Yeah.
No, 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 no. No, you don't want that part, dude. That's bad. No, that's the shell, dude. Give me that. What are you? There's nothing else in there, buddy. Yeah, there you go. See? Yeah. Okay, now we're going to try it again. Here we go. Okay. There's one right here in the shell. Okay. Which one is it? Yeah!
Did you figure it out?
Hell yeah! We're going to try it one more time. Pistachio. There you go. Dude, you're eating the whole thing this time.